Today we're going to be doing a Rudolph the Reindeer Halloween makeup look. Welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney and we are going to be doing another Halloween look. 'Tis the season, 15 more days until Halloween. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and last year I did this deer look and I thought I would recreate it again this year but switch it up a little and make it Rudolph. I've got some cutie little red stones and we're gonna use this red Patrick Ta blush because I guess I threw away all of my colored makeup palettes. My fun color makeup palettes when I move. All right, let's get started. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share with any friend that you think would love to do a Rudolph costume. I really enjoy doing this look because it's super simple. So we're gonna start off essentially like we're doing a regular makeup routine. I started off with the Refy Primer. We're gonna go ahead and smooth that in. We're actually gonna try a new foundation today. This is the Fenty Soft Lit. Yeah, Soft Lit. I've only used the Pro filter. Oh, maybe I have used it before. Let's see. Okay, that should be good. I skipped a step. We're gonna go ahead and put on this Huda Beauty color corrector. Try and sneak it in there. We're just gonna pat that in. Okay, looks good enough. We're gonna go ahead and take our foundation brush and smooth in our foundation. Oh wow, this is definitely a little warmer than my skin tone. Oh my, that's all right. We're gonna fix it. Take my eyebrow brush and brush up my brows. We're gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and carve out our brows. Now we're gonna take our Fenty contour stick and contour our face. The really fun thing about this look is that we're really going to get into the darks and lights because a deer is just a bunch of dark and light brown shades. So we're definitely going to be a little heavier handed when it comes to the contour. Deers have such slim faces. So creating those shadows to kind of narrow out our face. And don't worry, you can always go in later and add more. But hollowing out that face and taking that contour a little farther down than you typically would. I'm gonna do something different and actually apply it directly onto my face to make sure it's as dark as I want. On the side. Brush, 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 brush. And we are gonna make sure to do an under the lip for that pouty look. Gorgeous. What do we think? Ooh. Ooh, the face and the neck are not matching. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna go ahead and go in with our concealer. This is the Hourglass concealer. One of my loose powders spilled all over my makeup bag. But I'm gonna take the Hourglass concealer in 2 shades. One that's close to my skin color and one that's a little brighter, but seeing as I have really dark foundation on, just one that's my actual foundation shade. Let's go ahead and start brightening up. We're gonna go back in with our concealer brush, blending everything in. We're gonna take the other side of that first dual-ended brush and blend in those harsh lines. Go back in and add that contour. Gorgeous. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the eyes. I'm gonna take the lighter concealer to do the eyes. We're gonna go ahead and put some concealer on the back of my hand. And now we're going to draw the outline of our eye shape. I am following this inspiration photo. I'm gonna tag on the screen who this creator is. I love the eye shape she did and I also wanted to change it up from last year, so I thought this was perfect. Okay, this is what we're looking like. And I just wanna draw inspiration, so I'm not gonna totally do it the same. I'm gonna see if I can change the bottom a bit. Ooh, okay, that's different. Gorgeous. I gotta stop getting too creative because what if I can't replicate it? I'm letting the crease of my eye kind of tell me where it's going. I've got big eyes, so it like keeps going. It's a little different. Which one do I like more? I'm like, I need this side to look good. That's my good side. Okay, the eyes look cute. We're gonna go ahead and pack it with eyeshadow so it doesn't keep smearing. We're gonna take my Patrick Ta palette and we're gonna take the second lightest shade and pack on this eyeshadow. Ooh, okay. I need to be done in like 10 minutes, so let's go ahead and move on to the next step. I'm gonna do the tiniest of tiniest black eyeliner with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. Do the other side. Looks good. Ooh, it's coming together. I'm gonna take my white paint from Sprout Halloween and do dots all over my face. First, really quickly, taking our loose powder and ever so slightly setting our face. Now, taking my brush. Now we're gonna take a smaller brush, add even more dots now that we have our main ones. Now that our dots are all over our forehead, we're gonna put them on our nose. Cute. Can't be a perfectionist about it. Now we're gonna do the lip with a brown liner. This is the Makeup Forever lip liner. And for Halloween looks, I always like to overline. And I'm doing the majority of my top lip because I'm only gonna outline the corner of my bottom lip. Now for the final touches. We're gonna take this packed brush, take our red blush for our reindeer nose. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, I am so in love with this. Oh, this is too cute. We're gonna take our crystals. Let's see if they'll stick without adding eyelash glue. Okay, I think it's done. All right, I have to put on lashes, lip gloss. Oh! And we're done. All right, I added my lashes. I tight lined with this cream pencil just to add some lip gloss. Just want that lip to be a little darker. Not that dark. All right. Oh, I forgot to do my hair. Okay. Goodness. She's never complete without earrings. Oh, she is taking it, honey. This is so cute. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. I have no words. Here's the full look. Here is the full look. This is cute. This is cute, and you can be, and your man could be Santa Claus. Your partner, your woman, whoever. This is adorable. This is adorable. I am so happy with how this looks. Hello? And that was like 40 minutes. Okay, that's kind of long. But it took me a while to do the jewels. And I took my time. This is so stinking cute. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm gonna have all the products that I use down below in the description. Y'all can let me know if this is a hit or a miss, if you prefer last year's A Regular Deer or this year's, which is Rudolph. I hope I am giving you all the Halloween vibes. Again, if you haven't had the chance, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this a thumbs up, and share with a friend who you think would love this look. If this is your first time here, go ahead and check out our other Halloween looks. We did a dairy cow yesterday. So different, but so cute. We still got 2 weeks until Halloween, so more looks to come. If there's anything else that you want to see, go ahead and comment it down below. She is so cute. All right, until next time, bye.